Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We are going to take a quick look at a Rees C1030-6 dust collector. Originally, this was a C1030-4, but they did add two more lower modules. You can remove two of these and make it smaller if you wanted to. Down below, you do have 6 total discharge bags. Up top, we did replace all 6 filters with American filters. They are 24 inches in diameter and 48 inches tall. This machine is powered by a 10 horsepower 230/460 volt motor. You do have an 11-inch inlet. This machine is going to produce up to 4,000 CFM. It is 150 inches wide, 54 inches deep, and approximately 105 inches tall. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.